What's there? You like it?
Yeah.
And look on the other side. What does it say there?
Emma.
And do you like the shoes?
Yeah.
You can
What
under.
size are they?
You get 13. Are you happy?
Happy.
Can you manage?
I'll manage.
You will get them out one way or the other, hey?
Yeah.
Don't they look lovely?
Yeah.
Now you can go again.
Oh.
Oh, they're cool. Hey?
Yeah.
Do you like it with your name on?
Yeah.
Because they're yours. Please, please let them fit. Oops. Yeah, you might have to take that thing out.
It feels fine.
Do they feel fine?
Yeah.
But you know, you mustn't wear them if they're too tight just because they're one dimension shoes, eh?
One dimension.
One dimension, one direction. Jay, go to bed. They're not your shoes. Were they worth waiting for?
Yeah. You feel it up here tight, but it feels fine.
Do they feel fine?
Yeah.
We don't want to bend your little toes. You like?
Yeah.
Let me see what it says, Emma. Let me see. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. And look at the shiny bits on the 1D. What did I call them? One dimension, the one direction. Oh, look how good they look. Yeah. Which one is your favorite?
No.
Is it Nile?
Yeah.
What's the other names? Can you show me?
It's kind of hard to see them.
Is it? Well, at least we can see Nile. That's fine.
Yeah.
Because he's your boyfriend, isn't he?
Yeah.
So you're happy? Okay, my darling. Just don't trip on this, on the things and kill yourself. Well, it was worth having all that hard exams, hey? And getting them all right. How many stars did you have to get those? It was 5 gold stars and 5 gold ticks.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's why you got them. Yay. Okay, say thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.